Transform your small yard into a cozy oasis. Transform your small yard into a cozy retreat, starting with a simple layout plan. Utilize every inch wisely, creating zones for relaxation, dining, and gardening. Incorporate vertical gardening to maximize space and add lush greenery. Use wall-mounted planters and trellises to grow flowers, herbs, and vegetables, enhancing the vertical dimension. Create a focal point with a charming water feature or a small fire pit. These elements draw attention and provide a soothing ambience for your outdoor space. Choose multi-purpose furniture pieces that offer storage. Benches with built-in storage or foldable tables save space and keep your yard organized and clutter-free. Incorporate a small pergola or arbor to define a seating area. Add climbing plants like wisteria or roses for a touch of romance and shade. Opt for a mix of hardscaping and softscaping. Pavers, gravel paths, and patches of grass or ground cover create texture and visual interest. Use outdoor rugs to delineate different zones. They add color and comfort underfoot, making your seating and dining areas feel more like an extension of your home. Install string lights or solar garden lights to create a magical atmosphere. Lighting can transform your yard into an inviting space for evening gatherings. Incorporate mirrors to make the space feel larger. Place them strategically to reflect light and greenery, enhancing the sense of openness. Create a small herb or flower garden using raised beds or containers. This adds color, fragrance, and functionality, allowing you to enjoy fresh produce. Include a cozy seating arrangement with cushion chairs or a hammock. This provides a comfortable spot to unwind and enjoy the fresh air. Personalize your yard with unique decor elements like wind chimes, bird feeders, or DIY art. These touches add charm and reflect your personality.